Morning class. Today we're going to be learning about quadratic types. Billy, how many times I have to tell you not to wear a hat in my class? Alright, quadratic types. Does anyone know? Anyone know what that is? Have any idea? Clue? No? Yes? Wow. Silence. Really good. Original. Very original. Idiots. Not that hard. Okay? Not that hard. Alright, the problem. X to the 2/3 minus 2x to the 1/3 minus 15 equals 0. That's our first quadratic type. Okay, I'll admit it. Looks a little confusing. You're like, what? How the frick? What am I? Huh? Well, I'll tell you. But first, anyone got any clue? Don't be shy. Raise your hand. Come on, people. No. Again, no. All right. Okay. I get it. Moving on. So, we're going to let u equal x to the 1/3. Problem will become u to the second minus 2u minus 15 equals 0. I know, it's a long shot and it's a lot to ask. But can any of you tell me how I got that? Well, since it's 2/3 and then 1/3 and then nothing, I'm guessing that you kind of just cancel them out the bottom. So it's like a normal equation and then we'll plug it back in later. Wow. You guys see that? What can happen when you use your one brain cell? You can answer a question. Yes, Jonathan, that is correct. Alright, time to factor. Can anyone give me two numbers that add to be -2 and multiply to be -15? -5 and 3. Wow, Raj, you can do basic math. Correct. Now when we plug that in, we get u to the second minus 5u plus 3u minus 15 equals 0. Now we can factor. Alright people, how do we factor? What are the answers? Yes? Yes, Billy? I think you can factor a u at u to the second minus 5u, and then you can factor out a 3 at a 3u minus 15. Anyone else? Don't be shy. You can factor a 3 at a 3u minus 15, and then you can factor a u at a u to the second minus 5u. Astute. Yes, Jonathan, you are correct. That's what I... Huh? What was that? What was that? Did I just hear something? That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Yeah. Jonathan. Now with Jonathan's answer, we get two factors, u plus 3 and u minus 5. And we can easily simplify that down to u equals -3 and u equals 5. Alright, and before you think we're done, we're not. That is not our final answers. We still have the x to the 1/3 to plug back in. So, I gotta ask, does anybody know how to do that? Any clue? I could say I'm disappointed, but that would be a complete lie. I could not care less. Could not. Since none of you know how to do anything, let me show you. Let me see if this helps. Alright? So we're going to bring that x to 1/3 back into our equation. We have to set it equal to our answers. And to get rid of that 1/3, we've got to multiply each side by the power of 3, which will give us... Anyone? Anyone want to redeem themselves? Oh! Alright, since no one can answer my question, the answers: x equals -27, x equals 125. They both work if you plug them back in. So, does anybody have any questions? No? None? None, huh? Well, alright. Next problem. 6w plus 7w to the 1/2 minus 20 equals 0. So we're going to let u equal w to the 1/2. Alright, since we've done one of these now, tell me what the first step is. You would get 6u to the second plus 7u minus 20 equals 0. Yes. Now that we got 6u to the second plus 7u minus 20 equals 0, what is a factor that multiplies to be -120 and adds to be 7? Yes, Raj. Is it 15 and -8? Ding, ding, ding. It is 15 and -8. Correct. Now that we got 6u to the second minus 8u plus 15u minus 20 equals 0. So, what are the factors? Yes, Jonathan. 3u minus 4 and 2u plus 5. Hey, yeah. Guys are impressing me. Now that we got our factors, we can simplify them down, and we get u equals 4/3 and u equals -5/2. Alright, we're on a roll. Can anyone tell me what we do next? Oh, wrong. Yes, Roger. You have the answer? You're gonna have to plug back in the x to the 1/2. Hey, somebody give that fat kid a cookie. Because that's the right answer. After we raise it to the second power, we get w equals 16/9 and w equals 25/4. And if you plug those back in, 16/9 is the only one that works. All right, class, you did it. Solve quadratic type equations. All right, so you're gonna have quite a few of those in your homework tonight, so be sure to apply what we did in class on there, and you should be fine. Billy? Are you actually asleep right now? Billy, you good?
What did I tell you about being asleep in my class?
I think Billy's dead.
Did it sound like I asked? Did it sound like I asked?